Hi, I'm Karen Roth, Holistic Nutritionist. Well, now more than ever, it's very important to stay healthy, especially during this time. And looking for ways to supercharge your health does not have to be complicated. You've heard this all before. Eat your fruits and vegetables, drink clean water, avoid overconsumption of sweets and refined foods like potato chips and crackers. And you can snack on popcorn and even nuts. But there is one small change that you can add to your daily routine, which will have a big payback to your health, and that's by adding microgreens to your daily diet. Microgreens are considered baby plants or very young vegetables. Microgreens are packed full of nutrients that help support the immune system. They have 5 times more vitamins, amino acids, enzymes, and phytonutrients than their mature counterparts. Now, even though you can buy microgreens at the grocery store, they are super easy to grow at home and they are very cost effective. In fact, I'll show you the ones that I've been growing. Right now, this is about 7 days old. These are mustard microgreens. You can harvest these within 7 to 10 days, very nutrient packed. Microgreens are super easy to add to any meal throughout your day. For example, you could throw a handful of microgreens into your morning smoothie. You could top oatmeal with microgreens. You could even sprinkle them over an omelet or scrambled eggs. You can use them in salads, sandwiches, and wraps. And you could even stir them into guacamole. And one of my favorite things to do is to get that crunchy, really flavorful punch that you get from microgreens is to put it on top of a bowl of warm soup. They are so nutrient dense, and it's so easy to just do this one small thing on a daily basis to get your nutrients. If you do decide to grow your own microgreens, it's a lot of fun, but you want to make sure that you get very clean seeds to begin with. And there are a lot of places that sell them, and I do know of a couple that I have personally tried, and I use their seeds often, and that is Sprout People and True Leaf Market, both great companies to get your seeds from. They add flavor, color, and nutritional value with just one touch. So that's my health tip for you today. So go grow some greens.